A gas undergoes an isothermal expansion from an initial volume of 1 meter cube to a final volume of 3 meter cube while absorbing 2000 joule of heat. What is the work done of the gas? 4000 joules. If 500 joules of heat is added to a system and the system performs 200 joules of work, what is the change in internal energy of the system? 300 joules. Which of the following is a statement of the second law of thermodynamics? The entropy of a system tends to increase over time. What is the first law of thermodynamics, also known as law of conservation of energy? A gas undergoes an adiabatic expansion during which its volume triples. If its initial temperature of the gas is 300 Kelvin, what is its final temperature? 100 Kelvin. A refrigerator absorbs 4000 joules of heat from the cold reservoir while expelling 2000 joules of heat to the surrounding. What is the net work done by the refrigerator? 4000 joules. Which of the following process does not involve a change in internal energy? Isochoric process. What is the unit of specific heat capacity? Joules per kg per Kelvin. The internal energy of a gas is 2000 joule if 500 joules of heat is added to the gas and 300 joules of work is done by the gas. What is the final internal energy of the gas? 1700 joules. If a gas expands isothermally and does 400 joules of work on its surrounding, how much heat is absorbed by the gas? 400 joules. Which statement best describes an adiabatic process? No heat transfer occurs between the system and its surrounding. According to zeroth law of thermodynamics, if system A is in thermal equilibrium with system B and system B is in thermal equilibrium with system C, then what can we conclude? System A is in thermal equilibrium with system C. The pressure of a gas is reduced from 4 atm to 2 atm while the volume is kept constant at 5 meter cube. How much work is done by the gas? 0 joules. A gas expands from an initial volume of 2 meter cube to a final volume of 6 meter cube while absorbing 8000 joules of heat. If the pressure is adiabatically, what is the change in internal energy of the gas? 0 joules. Which of the following is a state function? Enthalpy. The change in entropy of a system is given by change in entropy is equal to Q by T. If the change in internal energy of a system is 500 joules and the system performs 300 joules of work, how much heat is added to the system? 800 joules. A piston compresses a gas doing 1000 joules of work on the gas. If the internal energy of the gas increases by 500 joule, how much heat is added to the gas? 1500 joules. Which of the following statement is true for an isothermal process? The temperature of the system remains constant. The Carnot cycle consists of two isothermal and two adiabatic process. In an adiabatic process, which of the following is true? No heat is transferred. The internal energy of the gas is 500 joule. If 200 joule of heat is added to the gas and it performs 300 joules of work, what is the final internal energy of the gas? 600 joules. A gas expands adiabatically and its volume triples if the initial pressure is 3 atm. What is the final pressure? 1 atm. If a gas expands isothermally and does 2000 joules of work on its surrounding, how much heat is added to the gas? 2000 joules. The Clausius statement of the second law of thermodynamics is related to entropy. The efficiency of a Carnot engine operating between two reservoirs at temperature 500 Kelvin and 300 Kelvin is 40%.